how to set up screen time usage for walking and volume monitor on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on digital well-being and parental controls. Okay, so after that, we tap on the weekly report icon, that is the graph icon at the top here. Then scroll down and tap on walking monitor if you want to set up walking monitor screen time usage. And then tap on start. So here say monitor your screen time while walking and see which apps you're using the most. So tap on the start button and that's it. It is now turned on. You don't have to do anything else after this. It will now start to monitor if you have opened up any app while you're walking. Tap on the back key and down here we can tap on volume monitor. Check how loudly you are listening and then tap on start. And here it says monitor your volume level to make sure you are keeping your ears safe. Volume levels may be a little different depending on your headphones. Use Galaxy Buds to get the most accurate measurements. So tap on the start button and then it said here the volume monitor is intended for headphones. If a Bluetooth speaker is being identified as headphones, you can change the device type in Bluetooth settings. And tapping on the more button in here, you can choose use volume monitor. And here, just turn it on. And then you also can switch on or switch off ear safety alerts. And that's it. Now tap on the back key and give it some time. After a week, then your phone will send you out a weekly report which you can open and view your screen time usage while walking and for your loud listening time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.